Writing clean code is essential for effective game development. Clean code not only makes your project more manageable but also enhances collaboration and maintenance. Here are some tips to keep your game development codebase clean. Consistent naming conventions. Use clear and consistent naming conventions for variables, functions, and classes. Descriptive names make your code more readable and help others understand your intentions. Modularize your code. Break down your code into small, modular functions and classes. This promotes reusability, simplifies debugging, and makes it easier to test individual components. Comments and documentation. Add comments to explain complex algorithms or any non-trivial code segments. However, prioritize writing self-explanatory code over excessive comments. Keep documentation up to date for future developers. Avoid magic numbers and strings. Replace magic numbers and strings with named constants or variables. This not only makes your code more readable but also allows for easier adjustments and updates. Error handling. Implement proper error handling throughout your code. Use meaningful error messages and log information to assist with debugging. Consider using try-catch blocks where appropriate. Consistent formatting. Maintain a consistent code formatting style. Whether you choose tabs or spaces, be consistent throughout the entire project. This makes collaboration smoother and enhances code readability. Optimize for readability. Prioritize code readability over clever tricks or optimizations. Code is read more often than it's written, so make it easy for others, or your future self, to understand the logic. Version control. Use version control systems like Git to track changes systematically. Regularly commit your changes with meaningful commit messages. This helps you revert to earlier versions if needed and makes collaboration smoother. Refactoring. Don't hesitate to refactor your code as the project evolves. If you notice areas that could be improved or made more efficient, take the time to refactor and keep your codebase clean. Testing. Write unit tests for critical parts of your code. Testing helps ensure that changes and additions don't introduce unexpected issues and makes it easier to maintain code reliability. Keep it simple. Follow the KISS, keep it simple, stupid, principle. Simplicity is often key to clean code. Avoid unnecessary complexity and convoluted solutions. By adhering to these tips, you'll contribute to a clean and maintainable codebase, making the game development process smoother and more enjoyable for yourself and your collaborators. If you like this video, click on like and subscribe for more similar videos. In case I missed something, let me know in the comments below.